Welcome to the channel as always. Today I've been sent by AllPowers the Volix P300 power station, and they also sent the Volix SE100 foldable solar panels. They want me to do an unboxing, and this is going to be a true unboxing. I have not opened it. I've been busy with other collaborations. So let's open it together and we're going to see what we get and be surprised together. So let's go ahead and open the power station first. I was really surprised when they reached out. They've sent me the S2000 about a year or so ago. I really liked it. It's packed good, as you can see. Good foam. Your manual. We'll lay that there. Hey, it's a good looking little unit. Now, I have got on YouTube and the computer and looked at it, but this is the first time I have opened it. That is a good looking little unit if you can see it. We'll get a better look here in a moment. Say this, yep. This is the cords. You get a power cord with it for your AC wall adapter to hook it up. And that is it in the box. And like I said, all the foam and everything, it's packed very well. Let me set this to the side. Now we're going to work on the Volix SE100 foldable panels. Man, they got this thing taped up. Well, as you can see, you got foam here and here, little corner foams. So that's good. I like to see when they're packaged well, because I tell you what, anymore, FedEx and UPS, they just throw your stuff around. I received a power station one time, a big 5,000 watt unit, and the wheels were busted off of it. AllPowers. Nice little case right here, or bag, carry bag. And I would say it is water resistant, not waterproof. It goes all the way down. Hey, it's good looking. As you can see inside, we even got a piece of foam. Man, that feels good. I love the looks of the outside. It looks like material. Can't tell if it is or not. The Volix monocrystalline silicone cells inside. It's got kickstand legs. That's nice. Oh, it's got a little bag right here. Manual. And your cords. We'll open them up here in a minute. So I'll tell you what. Let's get the power station and we'll get this. We'll set it on the counter where we can really see it good and we'll check it out. So right here we have the Volix P300 by AllPowers. And first off, I just want to show that it has got a nice little design right here on top. Kind of looks like chicken wire fence, but it's good looking. Has their name, AllPowers. So I just wanted to point that out. Nice little foldable handle. You can put something on top where it's flat, maybe set your laptop there. It's a good looking little unit. It's not square. It's got rounded corners. I do like it. It honestly is a very sleek looking little power station. Now, I'm sure most of you know this is not going to run your double door refrigerator, microwave. This is for mainly electronics, maybe to take camping, RVing. Perfect thing, I think, is a college dorm for a college student, charge their laptops off of, a light, stuff like that. But it's a very good looking little unit. Right here is the power button. Great looking little screen, I will say. Now that's different from my R600, my S2000, and the R1500. This looks good right here. Yes, I do like that. But yeah, this is very nice. Right here you have a lighter port, 12 volt, 10 amp. It's got a good little dust cover over it. Right here you got a USB-A, another USB-A, 18 watt, USB-C, 100 watt. Right here is your DC power. You can see the icon come on right there. Now we'll turn it off. Over here is your AC power. Icon come on. Turn it off. Right here is your 110 AC outlet to plug up maybe like a lamp, laptop, something in that nature. Right here is your input. Right here is your output. The blue bar is your battery charging level, or going down, discharging. 76% battery level. Now again, this is the AllPowers Volix P300 power station. It's a 256 watt hour, 300 watt continuous output, 600 watt surge / peak power. It's got LiFePO4 batteries, 4,000 plus cycles till it drops to 80%. And the best way I like to explain that is, let's say if this will run your desktop computer, let's say for 10 hours on a full battery, in 4,000 plus cycles, it'll run it for 8 hours. It just loses that top 20% of the battery, approximately 10 years. So, I mean, you have nothing to worry about. It will last for 10 years or more before it drops. So, I mean, it don't mean you throw it away or anything. You have nothing to worry about. These things last forever. It weighs 3.67 pounds, very light. This thing weighs nothing, I'm telling you. A lunchbox. The size is 10.2 inches, 8.3 inches, 4.9 inches. It does have a UPS with a 20 millisecond turnover time. It does have pass-through charging, which means you can withdraw from the AC or DC, use it, to power your devices, plus charge it up from the wall or solar. It has a BMS system and an MPPT controller, so you have nothing to worry about. It takes care of itself. With AC charging from the wall outlets and plugging it up, it'll take in 300 watts, which on the average takes about 50 minutes to fully charge. On solar, it'll take in 110 watts. This right here is your solar input. On the low, it's 11 volt. On the high, it's 30 volt. It'll take in 110 volt on the AC wall outlet. It does have a 5-year warranty, so no worries there. AllPowers does take care of their customers. So let's hook up and try a few little things. I've got this little LED light. We use these here at the house for emergencies. They put out great light. You can get them off of Amazon or eBay. I want to plug it up to the USB-A. Turn on the DC power. There you go. Leave that hanging there. And I've got a little USB-A fan. I use this on my mantle when we have the heat on in the winter and no power. It blows the heat out throughout the room. And with both of these, we are only drawing between 5 and 7 watts. Now I have got my DeWalt battery charger here with a big lithium-ion battery. I'm going to plug it up here in the AC, turn it on, see what we draw. Just kicked on. 57 watts, if you can see it right there. 59 I've seen. This thing is a nice little handy power station, I'm flat telling you. And like I said, you can charge it by the wall with AC or by solar. So I say, let's get the solar panels. We'll go outside and just take a quick little look. It's a cloudy day. Hopefully we can get a little bit of sun, but if not, at least you can compare the size. So we are lucky enough, the sun is popping through, so we might be able to show a little bit of sun coming through on the panels. Let me get these out of the bag and set up, and we'll check them out. So here we have got the AllPowers Solax SE100 foldable panels put up. And I tell you what, they're very durable. Very nice feel to the front. They're IP68 waterproof with ETFE film and rugged design. They got the little eye grommets on the corners. That way if you want to hang it up from a tree or off your RV, they've got a 3-stage, 2 legs in the back. You can adjust it 3 different positions, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, and 60 degrees. You have your MC4 connectors right there if you can see them. You probably got roughly 8 to 10 feet of cord, MC4 cord. That way you can stretch it out. See what we're bringing in. I don't know if you can see that. 31 watts. But hey, it's better than nothing. I told you it ain't super sunny today. Cloudy, going to rain. I do like these though. Very compact, portable, 100 watt output, 12 volt to 24 volt open circuit. And again, IP68 waterproof with ETFE film and rugged design. Lightweight at 8.82 pounds. Zip up storage bag with the XT60 to MC4. Now I'll tell you what, these are nice. Great, like I said, for a college kid, take camping, RVing, and the power station is so little, I mean, you'll never even know it's with you. AllPowers was nice enough to give my viewers 10% discount. The code I'm going to put in the description below. It's EKP10. Hey, save you some money. This is a great gift for a college student or just to take camping or just have around the house for a backup for your laptop, lights, charging your cell phones, radio. Hey, this is great. Hey, I thank y'all for watching. I really recommend this. Hey, take it easy. Catch you on the next video, and God bless.